Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the various forms to use mandala art. Here I'm drawing an Om, which is a Sanskrit word, and will be decorating it with mandala art around it. If you are a beginner, I would suggest you to first draw it lightly with a pencil and then fill it with the pen you'll be using. I'm using the basic marker pen here, but you can find different pen of different tip sizes in any stationery shop around you. To draw a circle, I have taken the help of a compass, but you can go with any instrument of your choice. As you can see, I'm starting by drawing semi-concentric circles at the corner of the page and filling it with various patterns. While you draw these patterns, always try to maintain symmetry as much as you can. Try using pencil for drawing circles or any other shape as much as you can, because if you make any mistake, you can easily erase it and draw it again. I have filled the innermost circle by drawing flower petals, but you can go on with the pattern or design of your choice. I am now filling the outermost circle boldly to give a sharp touch to the circular artwork. Now I'm making small triangles around it to make it look even more attractive. Filling the gaps between these two circles by drawing various symmetrical patterns, which is making it look compact and beautiful. I'm again filling the innermost circle by drawing flower petals followed by triangles in the second circle. In my third circle, I have made rectangular boxes and filled the vacant areas boldly with my marker. The way I have done this artwork around Om, you can do it around any symbol, character, or design of your choice. In fact, you can give this kind of artwork to your loved ones by making it around their names too, and I'm sure they would love it. The reason why I chose Om was because it represents a very strong meaning. It is an ancient Sanskrit letter first found in Vedas, which represents soul, truth, divine, and supreme spirit. There's something here I would like to tell you. While I was making this artwork, there were few mistakes that I made. Sometimes the lines were drawn too long or the petals too short. But when I completed it, I couldn't even find it. The small details that you add to your artwork makes the flaws disappear. So in case if you make any mistakes in between, don't stop yourself then and there. Try to continue your work with the same passion and spirit, and it will all disappear in the end. I have somewhere drawn circles, somewhere semicircles, and somewhere random symmetrical patterns. Drawing these different patterns and designs give life to your artwork, so never stop experimenting with designs and patterns. When I started making this artwork on this piece of paper, I didn't actually have any specific design in my mind. I just made few random concentric circles and started filling them up with random symmetrical patterns. I basically explored myself on this piece of paper. So in case if you're worried on how to start, just remember one thing, that mandala art is all about exploring and experimenting with your own design and patterns. If you follow symmetry, balance, and uniformity in your work, I'm sure you will definitely be able to make one. If you look deeply at my work in this video, you will notice that I've maintained uniformity everywhere. If I've started filling the circles by drawing triangles, I continued making the same triangles in that area. So if you start with any pattern or design, just continue doing it uniformly. In case if you draw the other one a bit different than the previous one, either continue making it or try keeping them in the same size by highlighting the borders in a way that they maintain the symmetry. As you can see in the entire video, I have made all the patterns in circular form. But in case if you want to experiment with triangular or rectangular box and want to make patterns inside those shapes, then you can totally go for it. Mandala art is all about exploring yourself on a piece of paper and experimenting with your own design and your own self. From the very beginning, I made an outline for the Om and drew everything outside those borders. So in case if you choose to draw mandala art around a letter or a symbol, always start by drawing the outlines. I love adding little elements to my mandala like dots, spiral and loops. This makes my mandala look more complete, dense and creative. So whenever you start making your mandala art, try adding little elements and the smallest detail possible to your patterns and designs. I'm adding minute details in all my circles to make it look attractive and complete. So try to make the pattern inside the circles as dense as you can so that it does not look blank or a design without any texture. Now if you look at my work precisely, you will see that my circles basically grew from the center to its outer circumference, and that is exactly how mandala art should be. So whenever you try to draw mandala art, always try to begin it with the center, extending it to its outermost circumference.